Hello dear student, this is Dr. Sehar from Dentabest. I'm an internationally trained dentist. After successfully clearing the Canadian and the American dental licensing exam, I listened to my heart and followed my passion of teaching. Now after 12 years of teaching experience and more than 1400 successful dental students in my teaching list, I'm ready to expand my horizon so that my knowledge can reach to each and every fellow dentist in this world who are trained internationally and studying very hard to clear INBDE, ADAT and AFK exam. I'm here as your personalized mentor so that I can guide you through this journey to help you clear this exam and be a successful dental surgeon in United States and Canada. So students, please don't wait and subscribe to my channels on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, where I'm going to upload regularly the videos to help you in preparation of INBDE, ADAT and AFK exam. So the topic of the video today is why choose Dentabest. So there are two ways by which you can prepare for an exam: studying smart or studying hard. At Dentabest, we believe in studying smart. Now, what is studying hard? Studying hard is you are sitting for 10 hours and trying to just mug up everything in the books. You're not sure what's going to come in the exam. Now, this type of study is highly unproductive. You're trying to put too much of information in your brain. And when you do that, your brain gets saturated. It cannot retain anymore. And that's the point when you start losing the information. We don't want that. But when you study smart, you're studying exactly what is important, what has high chances to be asked in the exam. And that's what makes a real difference in your preparation. And that's what my program is going to provide you. So at Dentabest, I believe in making your fundamentals strong, your concepts clear. Because once your concepts, your basics are clear, then you can solve any question related to the topic. I don't believe in burdening you with thousands of reference books, millions of videos. We don't do that. We do what is called as high focus smart preparation. And this high focus smart preparation, it comes through my smart study notes and the videos. So these study notes and videos I have created so that I'm able to clear each and every fundamental concept related to the topic. So these smart videos are like my pre-recorded lecture in which I have tried my best to give all the important concepts related to subject using one video. It's 50 to 55 minutes. So as many subjects we have, as many videos we have. Plus, we are going to use some reference files, which are the latest updated articles on some of the hot topics like trauma management. You should be knowing what is the latest treatment protocol in that. Plus, we are practicing as many questions. So question practicing is a very, very important aspect of your preparation. Unless and until you have not practiced enough questions, you will never gain confidence for the topic. So we have a huge library of more than 5,000 questions in it. We have a bunch of question banks for each and every subject of exam to make it sure your preparation is very smart, confident and up to the mark. So please visit Dentabest website for different programs offered by us. It includes both personalized and the smart learning self-study program, which are specifically designed for all those hardworking students who are trying to create a balance between the work life and the studies. But the question still remains valid for those students who cannot join my program, but still want to gain access to the smart preparation. The answer to this is to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok so that it can help you with your preparation of INBDE, ADAT and AFK exam and to ace these exams at your very first attempt. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment on the section below or email me at info@dentabest.com. Thanks again and remember to study hard but study smart. Wish you all the best for exam.